Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, you are very welcome, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a video you'll be notified. In today's class we'll be learning how to make a bride and fan without name established. So guys, without wasting of time, please let's dive into the tutorial. Here are the material we will be needing for this tutorial. Here is my half fan, and this is a two piece of the feathers. Okay, this is a feathers and it's a two layers of feathers. Okay, two pack, that's what I mean, two pack. So this is my trim. I have a two different trim here, and this is my doll face. This is about half yard of doll face. My gum, you can also use a candle gum if you want. I also use candle gum. And scissors, this is my scissors I will be using for the tutorial, and this is the skeleton, the alpha skeleton. I bought it about 815 naira. You can see the price boldly written there. So guys, these are all the material we will be using. So guys, the first thing we'll be doing is to open up my bridal satin like this. So guys, I will place the skeleton on top like so. You can see me doing that. Then I will trace it out. I will just trace this doll face like this. I will trace it out according to the skeleton shape. So guys, after tracing, you can see me tracing it out. I trace both the back and the front. Then I apply my gum and I place the doll face on top of it. You will ensure that the gum dried a little bit before you will attach your doll face to it. So guys, as you can see that this doll face is longer than the skeleton. You will understand later where we are doing this thing. Okay, so now I have placed my gum to the other side of the board. So you ensure that this gum stay a little while before you attach your stay to it, your satin to it. Okay, you can see me that I'm closing the edge of the satin or of the board. I'm closing it like this. Then I will bring out the other one like this and place it. You can see that one of the doll face is longer than the other one. It's because of this handle here. You can see the other one cover the handle very well, and the other side does not cover it. It's longer. So I will use the longer one to cover up, to do the finishing of it. Okay, so that it will be neat in this area. So that is it guys. So you can see this is me trying to blend the doll face on it so that it will stay very well, and it will stay. So guys, now it's time for me to attach my feathers to it. Before I will attach my feather, I will first of all place my gum like this. You can see I have placed my gum. Then I will now bring the feather and place the feather on top like this, and I will cut it and put the second layer just like that. Okay, I will ensure that this one is strong. I'll put another layer and I will put it. Then after putting it, I will now add my gum to the board as well to add the third layer on it. At this very part now, I noticed that my gum is finished, so but I have a little inside. Then I will just take my time and place it on top, and after that I will add my third layers. So guys, I have done adding my gum to it, and I'm putting the third layer on top of it just the way you see me doing. I'm ensuring that the feather meets the gum so that it can gum very well because my gum is a little, I have exhausted my gum. So guys, this is how it comes out. So I switched over to my candle gum, as you can see, because I have exhausted my B6000. So now guys, I will be covering the edge of these feathers because we cannot leave the feathers like this. So these trims here, I will use it to cover up the rough edge there. So what I did here is that I first of all fold the strip at the end so that I will have a very neat finish there. Then after adding my candle gum, I will place the trim on top of the feathers there to cover up these feathers edge. Abi, how will I put it here? The feather edge. I will just put my candle gum on top like so, and I will make sure I cover it like so, just like that. I will just be doing it all around. So guys, this is me trying to cover up my feather string. You can see that that feather end is no longer showing. So I will just be covering it like so to ensure that the other space is well covered. So I will be doing it like that, but for the end, before I will start this gummy, I will first of all fold the the edge in before I will fold it, before I will gum it to the board. So this is how I will be doing it. I will fold it at the edge and I will gum it so that I will have a finished look there. Then guys, this is how it should be looking like. You see how I am doing it now. So now I will use the other strip to just cover the other one like so. I don't know if you understand. Just watch me carefully. You will understand what I'm trying to explain here. So after, from one edge to the other, that is what I'm trying to do here, so that I will cover up the space there so that it will be looking so nice. Okay. Just take your time to do it. It's very easy, guys. You can try this out. You will see what I'm trying to say. Very easy and very simple. So guys, after covering this part here, I will also go ahead to cover the handle where the bride will be holding. I don't know if you, the straight handle there, we cannot leave it so rough like so. Then I will try to cover it up with a strip too. So you just take your time. You can see that this part is looking beautiful, very well, neatly. This I neatly gum it. You can try this, guys. It's very simple, trust me. If you do it, you will know what I'm trying to say. You can see that this side is getting ready. So I will just, for the inside here, I will place the string inside to cover the rough edges inside. Okay, before I will do that, for the edge, I will first of all fold it in. First of all, fold it in, then I will apply my gum to it and place it in for that hole there. Okay, I'll place it in like so. I'll place it in and I will just cover up the inside there so that it will be very neat. Okay, in that part I'll cover it like so. Just watch me carefully. You will understand what I am trying to explain. You can see that the inside is neat. You can see how beautiful it comes out. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I will appreciate so much for you to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified on every video I will be post. Please help me to grow my channel. Without you guys, I will not be able to grow this channel. Please just encourage me, hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So guys, you can see how it comes out, looking pretty and beautiful, guys. So now that is it. I will just go ahead to cover up this handle here, and I will apply my candle gum. I will just apply it on the string, and I will make sure I cover it in a very smooth way. Okay, cover it so that there will not be rough edges. Okay, just take your time and do that. Trust me guys, this is very simple and you will even enjoy making it. Okay. So guys, I'm trying to cover up this handle here so that it will look neat, like I said before. So this is me gumming it in a very neatly way. Okay. You can see that our afghan is coming out beautiful. You can see how I am passing the strip. Okay, so I'm trying to gum the area that I saw that is rough. I'm trying to blend it. I'm trying to this damp part there. I'm trying to gum it because that part is rough. Trying to add a strip to it so that just the way we did at the upper part, we do it to the down part. Hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that the up and the down will correspond very well and it will come out neatly. Okay, so guys, you can see that the down part there is coming out beautiful and it's looking very neat there. So guys, you can see our fan is beautiful. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. So you can see the front here. I will do the same thing to the other side as well. So guys, this is the other side. I'm almost through with it. I'm trying to put my strip on it so that it comes as well. This is the other side. Okay. So this is it guys. You can see the first side that we did. This is the other side of it. Okay, I do the other side of camera so that the video will not be too long. So I'm trying to do the finishing of this strip. Okay, trying to do the finishing of the strip so that it will be very beautiful. If you have any comment, please, I will and I would appreciate so much if you drop a comment on the comment section. I will appreciate it so much. Please, you can also. So guys, here is the final look of it. This is the front and the other side of it. You can see it comes out very beautiful. So this is it. If you find this video helpful, please, I will appreciate if you hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this great channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video in this channel, you will be notified. And please, you can also share this video and comment on the comment section. I will be there waiting for you guys. Please encourage me, encourage this channel. Without you, there will be no Bliss Culture. Please encourage me to do more for this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you. Bye. To see you in my next video.